jacket like that one. I wish I had, as a matter of fact. Now, if you have freedom of choice and can decide which day you'd like to go to any of the major outdoor events we have at the moment, like Wimbledon, for instance, Hampton Court Flower Show, Henley, then I think tomorrow perhaps is the day to go. But what I can't promise you by any stretch of the imagination is a heat wave. You see in the next few days the shades are either yellow or sometimes even green, and that indicates that temperatures, if anything, will be slightly below average for the time of year. Hardly surprising, because we're going to keep the winds in the northwest, and it remains unsettled because no sooner does the low pressure that we have at the moment with us move out of the way, another one comes along, and then after that yet another one. And the high pressure, the dear old friendly high pressure that should be close to us and giving us some, well, a taste of summer to say the least, stays way back there down around the Azores. Now, we had some very wet weather moving across the south last night and into the first part of today. In fact, there's a little area of low pressure winding itself up there, and we still have the remnants of it across the eastern part of England. In the west and in the north, it is a little bit brighter. The clouds beginning to break, but even so, I think you'll find a fair number of showers, and some of those showers could turn out to be heavy and thundery too. And we're going to have a while, I think, we're going to have to wait a while for the more persistent rain to clear away from that southeastern corner. And even when it does so, don't expect much in the way of sunshine, and still expect perhaps one or two showers to give some further interruptions to Wimbledon. And it will be quite cool in that breeze too. Best temperatures mostly around about 16 to 18 degrees or so. Now, we start off with a fair number of showers this evening, into the night, as a matter of fact, in central and eastern areas. But very gradually, as the pressure continues to rise, the showers will fade away, except possibly just in that northern part of Scotland. The winds will ease down as well, and that's going to give us a jolly chilly night. 8 to 10 degrees the lowest in most parts of the country, even as low as 4 degrees in some of the Scottish glens, and that will give actually a touch of ground frost. Now, tomorrow starts off very different. Clear blue skies and a lot of sunshine in most places, but of course, yes, it isn't going to last. It will be clouding up from the west as the day goes on, and by the time we get to about lunchtime or shortly after, the rain will be moving into Northern Ireland, and then in the afternoon and into the evening, many of those other western parts turning wet as well. In the west, temperatures again not particularly brilliant, but a little bit warmer than of late in southeastern parts, as high as 20 degrees or so in one or two favoured spots. Now, that rain will continue to move across the country during tomorrow night, still be affecting eastern areas into the first part of Friday. Eventually it'll claw out of the way. Then it'll be brightening up for a time with some showers, but over the weekend I think many parts of the country are going to stay on the cool side with showers or even some longer outbreaks of rain. That's all for now.